One cannot think well, love well, sleep well if has not dined well. Today we are going to discuss human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of an alimentary canal which runs from the mouth to the anus. The food we eat enters from the mouth, which is mixed with an saliva which runs through an esophagus, which contracts and expands through peristaltic movements, which enters into the stomach. Stomach consists of an gastric juices, which consist of HCl, pepsin and mucus. HCl is acidic in behavior and pepsin is breakdown into peptides, and mucus is protective layer of stomach. So through the stomach it enters into small intestine by the pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter is nothing but then circular muscular structure. It expands and enters into small intestine. Small intestine plays an important role in digestive system. Small intestine consists of digestive juices and helps in breakdowns of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Small intestine consists of an digestive juices. Other organs also help small intestine to digest, like the liver, pancreas, and small intestine itself helps in digestion of food. From the liver, bile juice is secreted, which helps in breakdown of large molecules into small molecules. From the pancreas, pancreatic juice is secreted, from which different enzymes are produced, like the trypsin, which helps in breakdown of proteins, and lipase, which helps in breakdown of fats. And small intestine secretes the intestinal juices and comes to the large intestine. From the large intestine, the residue part is absorbed from it, and it absorbs the water and minerals from the walls of it, and the left residue is passed through the anus by the sphincter muscles. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.